Hey family, hey tastemakers, Tanya here. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. Today I have a pretty big Dollar Tree haul. I have stuff for the freezer, for my prepper pantry, a little bit of, just whatever's needed for the household. First, I went back and I got some more of this white chicken in the can. I like to have, in an emergency situation, I just want to be able to open up some cans and heat it up and eat. So I got some white turkey and white chicken. Love those. Got some instant coffee. This is good for the pantry. These are like how many? 6 packets. Instant. Taster's Choice. Old school. It's good. I tried this before. It's good. And then I got 2 more. I got 2 Swiss Miss packets. 2 boxes of these. Okay. And then I like these for my pantry. I love these oats. Saves a lot of space. And 0 sugar, 5 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber. Okay. A half cup serving is 160 calories. Love my little pepper stir fry. 1 gram of protein. 6 grams of carbs, no sodium. 2 bags of these. Then black beans. I got 2 more cans of black beans. Let's see, a half cup is 130 calories. No cholesterol. What it's saying? 3 grams of protein. 410 milligrams of sodium. High sodium. These black beans. So we got to use them sparingly, or as the only salt in your dish. The chickpeas. I got 2 things of Goya chickpeas. These are 120 calories per serving, a half cup serving. No cholesterol, 340 milligrams of sodium, 6 grams of protein beans. Okay, so both of these are really out of my range. I like 200s if I'm gonna do it at all. Then I got some more Huntsville. These tomato products, they're high sodium, 550 milligrams. Let me see what this sauce. I got some picante sauce. How much? Let's see. Protein, carbs, 2 grams of carbs. Sodium, 25 milligrams of sodium. So this paste picante sauce isn't that bad. If you just take, how many? 2 tablespoons, okay? Got my Creole Seasoning. $340 milligrams of sodium per 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, got that. Let me see, I got a pack of Goya seasoning. It's just 170 milligrams of sodium. Okay, got that. We did that. Got some more of these little mini crescent rolls. 100. Let's see. You get 2 rolls. Is 130 calories, and carbs, 23 milligrams of carbs, 180 milligrams of sodium. Bread is normally pretty high on sodium. Okay. Then I got another little thing of French vanilla. I've been talking all this time, and I hope you guys can hear me. My audio has been bad lately on my videos. Okay, so only 5 milligrams of sodium in here. 5 grams of carbs. Okay, got that. Bacon. I got 2 more packs of the Farmer John's bacon, which is 350 milligrams of sodium, 6 grams of protein, carbs, no carbs, 2 fried slices is 60 calories. Now I got 2 jars of pizza sauce. Let's see, what are the stats on this? Sodium is 240, which is in my range, okay. 5 grams of carbs, 1 gram of protein. And that's if you put like a 1/4 cup on a pizza. It's not too bad. But then when you put, if you put this, then with this on a flour tortilla, which is like, I make my pizzas like little flat, but those these things are high. These things can be high in sodium too. I got the corn. I got these this time, and let's see, there's 100 calories in one of these. 2 grams of carbs. The sodium is just 250, and 2 grams of protein, and that's why I got these. Now I got 2 things of oil because I went a couple places and they didn't have oil, so I got this because I just needed something, and I like smaller portions. Let's see, but soybean oil, they mix the good oil with the bad, because I've been told soybean oil is, you know, wreaks havoc on your system, but then you got extra virgin olive oil, so they mixed them. Okay, so like I said, it's for long-term storage. Stuff hits the fan, you need some oil, I will be using this, no problem. Okay, we got lasagna. This is the no bake or no oven ready lasagna, $1. If I could get it cheaper, I would. Every place else is like, you know, $1.39, $49. So when I saw it for $1, just got a box. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, I did get some more. Got 2 more things of mandarin oranges. Love that. Let me go over here. And I always, every year, like to stock up on my calendars. So 20, 22 calendars, desk size, desk. Got 2 monthly planners for me and hubby. Got 2 of these type. So you gotta get those when the getting's good. Then I like one for my purse. This one's like a wine country theme. Got those for the new year. And then they were setting out the Christmas candy. So I got these for like the coffee bar. Chocolate spoons. I love my Twizzlers. For the candy bar, if they make it to the candy bar. 2 bags of these hard candies, the cinnamon flavored candy bar for the candy buffet. I want to decorate it really pretty on a budget. And I have 2 bags of peppermints, hard candies. These are cinnamon flavored. These are good until 2023. I needed some more clear plates. A couple of years ago I did a DIY. I made a 3-tier tray with the rest of my clear plates, so I needed some more. So it's been a while since I've been able to get in there and actually see them. So I got 4 plates. Okay guys, so that does it. That does it. We got stuff for Christmas. We got stuff for the new year. Go in there and check it out the best you can. Stuff for the coffee bar, for the prepper pantry, stuff for the freezer, from the Dollar Tree. Like now the Dollar Tree is the best deal because stuff in the grocery store is going up and the Dollar Tree stuff hasn't gone up. Alright guys, so thank you so much. Thank you for spending time with me today on my haul. Let me get this down. And if you like content like this, if you're new here, just stumbled upon my channel, I welcome you to subscribe. Come on and join the table. This is Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. And I welcome you to the table. Just hit the subscribe button. It's free. You get some free tips and money saving tips and strategies and meal preps and hauls and everything. All right. Thank you so much, you guys. Bye, Mom. See you in my next video. Whew. God, now I got to put all this stuff up. All right. Bye, guys.